won't believe what this dog is trying to do. She's locked in on one thing, a dinosaur from the claw machine. First try, it slips right out. Second try, she misses it again. Third try, she's so close, but still no luck. Fourth try, she even grabs the wrong toy. Fifth and sixth, nothing. At this point, you can tell she's not giving up. Then comes the final try. She lines it up, stays focused, and this time it works. She finally grabs the dinosaur and it drops perfectly. The second she gets it, she runs off to show everyone like she just won the biggest prize ever, proudly carrying her dinosaur around like a champion.